So now let's go back to the cryptocurrencies page. Yeah. So now as you can see, we have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have about on the first page you have the top 100 cryptocurrencies. That's what you have on the first page. Top 100 cryptocurrencies. You can take your time and go through that. Here you can see Bitcoin, the current price $31,200. About 24 hours ago, Bitcoin was about $34,000 and it crashed to like $27,000 and that's recovered again. So you can see the 24 hours price difference is minus 6%. That's why it's showing red. And the green, it's positive. In the last 7 days, Bitcoin has increased by 17%. And this is the market cap of Bitcoin. What this means is the total worth of all Bitcoins in circulation. It's about 582 billion. Now, this is the volume of Bitcoin traded within the last 24 hours. About $80 billion worth of Bitcoin has been traded from one person to another. Transactions, about $80 billion of Bitcoin has been traded within the last 24 hours. Now, this is the current circulating supply of Bitcoin. We have about 18.5 million Bitcoins currently in circulation, and the maximum we can ever have is about 21 million Bitcoins. And currently, so far, we've been able to mine 18.5 million Bitcoins. So next year, you have the graph, and the same information is available for all other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Tether. You can take out your time and go through any of them you're interested in. And as you can see, the information too is being updated real time per se. Let's say if there's a lag, it might be maybe like 5 to 10 seconds lag, but at least it's been updated. You can see the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin jumping while we're looking at the page. So now let's just click on Bitcoin to see. Okay. So right here you can see we just clicked on Bitcoin. There's the price. Now this gives you like more information about that particular cryptocurrency you just clicked on. So this is like the website. With this you can access Bitcoin Explorers. With this you can access the community. With this the source code, and with this Bitcoin's white paper. Every cryptocurrency actually has a white paper. Every cryptocurrency. And down here you can see other features of Bitcoin. It's mineable, proof of work, hashing power, store of value. Definitely, yeah, this can be used as a store of value, and so many others. You can click on view all to view other tags about Bitcoin. So next here you have the buy option. Yeah, showing you that you can purchase cryptocurrencies on Binance. Here you have the exchange option, you have the gaming option. If you want to gamble with your cryptocurrency, play some games with your crypto. Here you have the N crypto, which shows you how you can passively make some profits with crypto. Yeah, passively. And it's showing that you can make as high as 20% just by staking. And this is on a different exchange though. So next here we have the Bitcoin charts. Now all this information you've seen about Bitcoin, if you click on any other cryptocurrency, you can get all of this information. This is one easy way to make your research about any cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. It's very, very easy. You can just do a brief 10 to like 30 minutes research via coinmarketcap about any crypto that you want to purchase. So next, still moving on. Here you can see the Bitcoin charts. There's a graph and it's showing you the price of Bitcoin, like all-time price of Bitcoin, different years, different highs and different lows, with the market cap at different intervals. Here you can see this is 2019 16th July. It was on Tuesday. You can see the price of Bitcoin was about $10,900, and the traded volume for that day, you can see it was about $25 billion, and the market cap as at then was about $194 billion. So all these informations, they are all available. Next you have markets. Under the markets, okay, let me just click it. So under the market, what you have are exchanges that you can deposit your BTC there and use it to buy any other asset, or just store it there if you feel like. So under the markets, you have platforms that do spot trading and the ones that do derivative trading. If you're not an experienced trader, I don't advise you to do anything relating to derivative trading, because you'd lose your cash and you would hate crypto afterwards. So stick to spot trading. So yeah, so back to what I was saying, it shows you all the platforms doing spot trading and the ones doing derivative trading. And to spare time, you can just go through any of this. Now next, you have the historical data, which shows you the price of Bitcoin at different days, different years, different months. You can access all of this. You can go to the dates and set a range for the time you would want to see. You can customize it with these options, or you can just go to see, you want to see last year price of Bitcoin. So whichever, and afterwards you can click on done and it shows you last year's price of Bitcoin. Next we have the news section. Here you can see all the news, latest news relating to cryptocurrency. You can see this talking about $25 million Bitcoin funds open to investors, and you can see a whole lot. Yeah, all news relating to crypto. You can also still see this here, and afterwards you can go to socials. In socials, you can see some of the discussions about Bitcoin, what people are saying, some topics, and you can just dive into the comments and see what they're saying, like get more insights if you have time for that. And afterwards, we still have under the rating, as it's clearly written here, it's being used to assess the fundamental health of crypto projects, and you can see the factors that they make use of to conduct this rating: user activity, developer behavior, and market maturity. When you start trading crypto, for those that haven't, you'll notice that after some time, exchanges tend to delist certain cryptos from their exchange. Why? Most times it's because of these factors here are no longer met. Maybe the users are no longer trading it, the developer is messing up in the project, and the market, the community is not really active, they're not really there. So they tend to delist a coin that they already had enlisted, even if it takes them 4, 5, 6 years. Exchangers can always do that. And next you have the analysis. Okay, here you have your analysis. Now all the analysis you're seeing here is based on Bitcoin. Everything you're seeing here, the analysis are for Bitcoin. You can see that of holders making money at current price, concentration by large holders composition, and so many other transactions greater than 100k. You can see all of that information here. You can click here to dive deep into more information. Then here you can see informations that will help you guide the action. For example, this is like a gauge trying to tell you that right now the market is bearish, and this is like a net showing you like the growth of Bitcoin. Like most persons make use of the information being displayed here to buy a certain cryptocurrency, but for me, I really don't depend on the information here to purchase any cryptocurrency. Okay, let me just search for a project. Let me search for YFL. Okay, so I actually chose to search for this because to make it easier for me rather than going through the list to see the position, because we have over 8,000 cryptocurrencies. This can be anywhere. So, and you can see this, the rank is 338. So imagine me checking from page to page to get this. So the best thing was just to search for the name. So now, assuming I want to invest in this project, YFL, and I want to participate in the contract, I can easily come to coinmarketcap search to see if it's listed here, and if it's listed, I can access the site from here. This is the contract address. I can easily copy it from here, and if I want to like purchase this coin via Uniswap, I can click on market and I can go straight to Uniswap to do that. Now if I want to invest on this project or this token, all I have to do is, once I click on the project, it shows me this information. From here I can see the site, the explorer, the community, and I can also get the contract address here, which I can make use of to invest in it on my Ethereum blockchain app. Or if it's listed on other exchanges or other exchangers, I can see it here under markets. You can see it Uniswap, Huobi, Poloniex, 1inch Exchange. These are the list of exchanges that have listed YFL and they currently trade it. And the number one here is Uniswap. You can see of all the volume of YFL being traded today, 71% was being done on Uniswap. And clearly you can see the price. There's like the price that was traded at in Uniswap, and this is the volume price, the volume. Over $564,000 worth of YFL was being traded on Uniswap today, and on Hotbit about 183,000, and they can account for like 23% of the traded amount of YFL today. This is one way to get the exchange that the token you want to purchase is being listed in. So that is a very, very handy feature when you talk of using coinmarketcap. See, after watching this video, anyone can think of any cryptocurrency and take out 5 to 10 minutes to make a quick search about the cryptocurrency and read one or two things about it to see the value, the current price, the market capitalization, if it's actually making any growth. Okay, yeah, something else I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, so let me click on Ethereum here briefly. Now down here, just after the charts, remember the Bitcoin, this chart was here too. All cryptocurrencies, you see this. Now you can see the price statistics still on. If you're making a research about the cryptocurrency, you can see this is the price of Ethereum. This is the current price. This is like the price change in the last 24 hours, about $42, and this is a percentage. This is 24 hours highest price and lowest price of Ethereum. In the last 24 hours, the highest price of Ethereum was $1,153, and the lowest price it has dropped to within the last 24 hours, $912. That is the trading volume of Ethereum in the last 24 hours. You can see it, trading volume. Market dominance, Bitcoin has about 68%, Ethereum has about 13.51%. Current rank, Ethereum is number 2. This is the market cap, the fully diluted market cap. There's no data for that. Now this is about Ethereum, a brief write-up about Ethereum. These are the markets that Ethereum was being traded today, together with the volume, and that's about that. So for any other cryptocurrency, you can always get this information. Now if you click on show more, this will show you the all-time high and the all-time low of Ethereum. That's another very, very useful feature in coinmarketcap. So if you check, you'd see yesterday's low and high, yesterday open and close. You can see clearly that the price between yesterday and today was quite different. When I'm talking about yesterday and today, I mean last 24 hours and about last 48 hours. So the yesterday now is last 48 hours, and today is last 24 hours. This last 24 hours, there's a price difference. This last 48 hours, open and close and price difference. So this would help you if you're trying to think of a project to purchase, or you're trying to know the highest price that's ever reached. Here you can see the Ethereum all-time high. The highest Ethereum has ever reached, about $1,400, and that was 3 years ago. The lowest price Ethereum has ever been, that was about 42 cents, and that was 2015, 5 years ago. So imagine if you bought Ethereum 5 years ago with just $100. That would have gotten you nothing less than about 300 Ethereum. Then it would have gotten you at least 300 Ethereum. Now you can imagine the price of 300 Ethereum right now. Something you got for $100 is at 2015 October. Right now, that would be nothing less than $300,000. Only crypto can do that in 5 years without you having to trade. All you had to do was buy and just hold it. You're not trading it, you're not swapping it for any coin, nothing. Just buy and hold, and you would have been $300,000 richer today with just $100 investment. So these are things that so many persons in the world don't know about crypto. Like over 90% of the world's population, they don't know about crypto. Even the few that have heard about crypto, they only know Bitcoin, Ethereum, the price. They don't really know the opportunities that crypto can give them. They don't know the wealth in crypto. And this will let you know that whoever is joining crypto right now is still extremely early. Because believe you me, there'll be a time that the Ethereum you're seeing now at $8,000 would be worth as high as $20,000. Yes, definitely. And there are still so many projects today that are less than $1, and within the next 1 year or 2 years they'll be worth over $100. So guys, please and please, I want you all to take this very, very seriously. The whole idea of doing this video, I feel is like one of the first videos that anyone that's going into crypto should be able to watch and understand. It will help you carry out your own very, very little research. So please don't forget, if you have any question, any issues, just leave it on the comment box and I will definitely respond to it. So thank you very much, and once again, you're welcome to Sasomi's Crypto and Tech. My name is Solomon Gift, and feel free to follow me on Twitter at AmundiGift. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for our next video. So I hope to see you next time, and I'm waiting for your comments and your messages about a video you would like me or a topic you would like me to cover. There are so many topics in crypto, so I'm waiting. Thank you very much, guys.